Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can fix stretch screen display issue on your Windows. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. First is you need to make sure that our graphics card driver is updated. So make a right click at the start button and select device manager in the list of options, or you can directly search for device manager in the Windows search bar and click on it. Now here in the device manager window, you need to locate the display adapter. So this is where you can find your graphics card driver. Now make a right click on your graphics card, select update driver, browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose one by one as to what driver will work for you, or simply choose the latest one. Then you have to click on next. And after that, Windows will successfully update your drivers. Then you just have to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. Now for the next method, click on the start button and go to settings. Now if you cannot access settings through the start button, then just simply type settings in the Windows search bar. Click on it under the best match. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on system, click on display. Then you'll find scale and layout. Make sure that for the scale, you have to choose as to what is recommended. Also for the display resolution, just simply choose as to what is recommended. And after that, simply close this window. Then we also need to make sure that our Windows operating system is up to date. So once your Windows is updated, you rarely face an issue with it. So might as well make sure this is up to date. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to select Windows Update and simply click this button right here to download and install the latest updates for your Windows and to make sure that you are running the latest version of your Windows operating system. Now once you're up to date, just simply close this window. Then you just have to make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos and tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.